Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to better track and manage your work orders. Our Work Orders module can help with a variety of tasks associated with small projects like service tickets, estimates, employee directives and instructions, etc. We give you the flexibility you need, such as allowing you to add and report on custom fields so you can work smarter. Built to work for you, not against you. Clients, employees, and owners alike all love our work orders. Our electronic signatures and approvals feature helps avoid traditional delays in starting work. Get approvals faster and win more work. Easily see status of what's bidding, pending, approved, completed, etc. And to save you time, you can invoice directly from the work order, complete with start and end dates. Eliminate the time and errors of double data entry by quickly creating an invoice straight from the order. Get better at knowing who's doing what and when. Assign who's responsible, then automatically send them a notification by email, text, etc. If you use our Work Orders module for projects, estimates, service tickets, or all of the above, this will help you keep up with all the details that can otherwise easily get dropped through the cracks. And with our Kanban views and filters, you easily and quickly see the progress of all your work orders. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to better track and manage your work orders.